Hey guys, it's Maggie here. In this video, I will tell you exactly what are Google Snippets and why they are important. And remember, if you get a ton of value from this video, make sure to smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, let's jump right to it. Google Snippets, known as meta title and meta description, are displayed in Google search results. So as you can see, the first line of the listing is meta title and the second line is meta description. They are often the first thing people see when they come across your brand. These snippets can help you stand out from other websites competing for the same keyword. Catchy snippets packed with ton of information can get you a lot of free traffic from Google. And as we already know, free organic traffic from Google converts the best on average, beating social media traffic and also paid ads. So how to make sure your snippet really stands out? First step, you need to optimize it in your Shopify store. Each part of your website can have separately optimized meta title and meta description, which you can find at the bottom of every product, collection, page, and blog post. The homepage Google snippet can be optimized by going to Online Store and clicking on Preferences. Remember to make it stand out, be catchy, but don't sound like a clickbait. Also, don't go over the character limit of 65 characters for the meta title and 165 characters for the meta description on average, although the physical length of the text matters more than the actual number of characters. So, for example, letters like I, L take less space than letters like O, M, so remember about that as well. If the snippet is too long, it will be cut off in the search results, which means people won't be able to see the most vital information. Also, don't forget to include call to action here. Don't neglect the fact that people really like to be told what to do. Be assured of the next step because it definitely improves the conversion rate. And on that note, if you got a ton of value from this video, remember to smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's see what to include in the Google snippet itself. I like to check what my competitors include in their snippets and copy the text I like best. Another great way is to spy on Google Ad snippets. They are designed to attract clicks, so someone spent already quite a long time perfecting those snippets. Simply copy the text from the snippets you like the best and adjust it to your own shop information. Now for the things to avoid. Leaving Google snippet empty, it will be auto-generated by search engines, meaning it will have very random information and it won't work to your benefit of getting traffic and getting clicks to your website. Stuffing it with keywords. Do I need to say more? This is the purest form of black hat SEO. Going over the character limit and not including call to action. Also, for the most important thing, snippet can help you climb higher in Google, but can also make your website dropped in the search results. Why is that? Because if Google records that people don't click your listing after they see your website in the search results, it will assume your site is not relevant to this particular search query. Google then will remove it or will drop your listing lower in the search results. Remember that Google's main goal is to show the most relevant content for the search query. On the other hand, if people keep clicking your listing, Google will assume that your website is relevant to the search query and will promote it in the search results, so your website will be ranking higher and higher and higher for this particular keyword. And that is why Google Snippet can really make or break your website. Now remember, if you got a ton of value from this video, smash the like button right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Shopify and SEO tips. Speak with you soon. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tips.